Alright, so this is Ratchet and Clank going Commando. I'm playing on my PS5. Just streaming it. This is basically the PS3 remastered, just as a port on the PS5. And honestly, it looks really good. I mean, for how old this game is, look at this. Literally feels like I'm just playing it on my PS2 back in the day. Except back then it was on like a 32-inch Sony Winnebago. I actually still have that TV. But look at this thing. Wow. I wish I could lock in the strafe with L2 instead of having to hold it constantly, but on my DualSense Edge controller, my back buttons are, I mean, that's solid. That's jumping. That's pretty much a... I can't wait to... Oh my gosh, look at that! A mini turret glove. I have not seen this in so many years. And then I just need the Killnoids. Oh my goodness. Alright, we need 25,000 like yesterday. Cosmo, do you have to do that right there, dude? I swear. Every time I do something, you're like right in my face. Get out of here. Ah. Nope. But yeah, it really feels good. 2026, and I'm playing Ratchet and Clank going Commando. This was my favorite game growing up. I absolutely loved this game. The protopat are such a cool boss battle. The camera is a little... I'm getting used to it, but... Oh! Ah! Oh! Got it! Yeah! Go! Ah! I totally double jumped there. Alright. Back when there were platinum bolts. This is so nostalgic for me. It has been so many years since I've... Oh! Oh! Get out of here! Oh! Haha! Suckers! Alright. Watch carefully, Cosmo, okay? Nope. Oh! I didn't mean to do that. Oh yeah, oh no! Cosmo! I did that on accident. Alright, let's see here. We'll buy that. Oh, we're almost there. Oh, I cannot wait to buy. I keep mistaking my trigger for right trigger. R2. But it's circle. Oh! Oh! You cheeky little fuck. Haha! It doesn't even bother me how many times I've had to do this. I'm actually waiting for my Rift Apart video to upload. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna play this. I've been meaning to play this game. Oh! Oh, what a ledge grab! Get it, dog! Oh! That was sick! Alright, we getting it this time. Yeah, that's right. Where you coming from? Where you coming from? Oh. Haha! I wish my camera would stop going Willy Wonkus. Oh! More bolts. I just earned a trophy. Heck yeah. Alright, now, this is what I was gonna do. Oh. Okay. That's the dynamo. Tractor beam. Do I not have my slingshot? Oh no, I probably have to just take this over. My gosh, I feel like a noob. I haven't played this in so long. Oh. Locking the strafe, locking the strafe, locking the strafe. Oh. And I mean, look at this. Megacorp? Sick. This was the best. Lived through the best times and didn't even know it at the time. Oh! Oh, no, no! Woohoo! Ow! It's your laser! Cool! You almost got me. This is going to be terrible. Alright, let's see here. What can we do? What can we do? What can we do? We almost have this upgraded good. We're gonna use it.
Greetings, morons. Since my employees did such a lousy job at taking care of yous, I thought I'd come and handle things myself. If you want someone killed right, you gotta do it yourself.
Oh!
Hey, watch it. I just waxed this thing. Just still, this will go a lot faster.
Oh no! I did not mean to backflip off of that.
This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me.
Oh! This thing does some chunky damage. Oh! Ah! Get out of here! Yeah! You don't need more than backup, fool. Heck yeah. Yo, is this Clank's apartment? Look at that. Iconic. Oh, I love it. You know, a badass way to bring this back would be to do a remaster of Ratchet and Clank Going Commando. And after you beat it and you go into New Game Plus, you unlock a certain area that allows you to get into Jack 2. And then you can play Jack 2 from the start. So it'd be basically 2 games in one. I know that's kind of far-fetched, but that would be so sick. So sick. But it'll never happen.
Hey, my old swing shot and grind boots.
Swing shot target detected. Press and hold circle to shoot the swing shot. Use L1 for better aiming.
Alright, let's buy this mini turret. Heck yeah.
Try customizing your quick select in the pause menu.
Let's see here. We'll go space and swing shot. There we go. These were my favorite too. I loved these. Love it! And then when they get to the rockets, oh, such a good game. I'm definitely going to be playing this while I upload my other videos, but heck yeah. Oh. The controls are definitely outdated, but I mean, graphically, I know a lot of people will probably be like, yeah, those graphics are garbage, but you gotta take in consideration when the game was made, and this is just, honestly, I'm blown away. This is so cool. But I'm gonna enjoy this. I think I have to upload another video, but cheers. Have a good one.